Hey everybody, today's a nice day to wash that Jeep. She's pretty dirty. Ain't been washed about 6 months. It's time, it's nice, it's beautiful out here. So guess what? I'm gonna wash the Jeep. It squirted me in the face again when I dropped it. How much better she looks. This thing right here is spotless. Yeah, almost spotless. Clean the windows. Bird crap on it. On the door. On the door? Really? Yeah, I missed the back of my face. Yeah, I did. I missed the back of my face. Please go a little bit. It's okay. Always remember to close your door back. I did that one time. We got wet. I didn't close the door. We got wet. Give them a rinse. Got to wash the wheels and the rims. Put my beautiful little glove on. I love that glove. I love it. I'll wash this first. Let's see if it'll show that white letters a little bit better. Had to add some more soap. I run out of soap in my bucket, so I need some more soap. Add a little bit. I also have a brush. I bought a brush too, car wash brush. Use it for the top. I don't like using it down the side. I'd rather do it with my hands. Brushes work good too. I'm not knocking anything. Anything that'll help clean your vehicle will work. All right, let's see what we got. I think it worked pretty good. Yeah, just a little bit more scrubbing, a little bit more scrubbing. good. All right, you see it? See if we can get those white letters to show up a little better. Get a good rinse. Just squirted me in the face again when I dropped it. Move that bucket out of the way so y'all can see. Ah, my finger. Oh yeah, you don't have to put the glove on if you don't want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Well, what do you think? Looks a lot better. It's cleaner. Not perfect, but looks good. Well, you watched me wash the Jeep, so I'm going to show you around. Let's see what it looks like now. All right, that concludes the video. You saw me wash this beautiful Jeep, man. I love a Jeep. It's my favorite vehicle. Always wanted one. Should have got one when I was in my 20s, but I don't know why I didn't. I love Mustangs too, so I guess I had about 4 or 5 Mustangs. So I got a Jeep now. So, all right, there it goes. It's clean. It looks good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Bye.